We likewise extend our warmest welcome to our esteemed local leaders and honored guests, Vice Governor Glenn Anthony Soco of the Province of Cebu, the honorable members of the Provincial Board of Cebu, the Cebu City Councilors, representing the Mayor of Mandaue City, Attorney Joel Seno, together with the Mandaue City Councilors, our valued partners from the Chambers of Commerce of Cebu, Talisay, and Lapu-Lapu, distinguished guests, members of the business community, our friends from the media, and everyone gathered with us for today's Moscow Cebu Business Forum. Before anything else, we sincerely hope that our friends from the Russian Federation had a memorable and meaningful experience during the Mandaue Cultural Heritage Night. We trust that even in a short time, you were able to experience the warmth, hospitality, and vibrant spirit of the Mandauehanons. We also hope you enjoyed our cultural presentations and local delicacies, especially our beloved bibingka, which we hope leaves a lasting impression and perhaps even inspires a second serving before your journey home. Today is especially meaningful for us because exactly 2 years ago, the Mandaue Chamber of Commerce and Industry, led by our immediate past president, Mr. Mark Anthony Ynoc, had the privilege of joining the Cebu provincial government delegation to the Russian Federation for a series of official engagement aimed at strengthening institutional ties and fostering economic cooperation between our regions. It was during this important mission that the Chamber proudly forged strategic partnerships with 2 of Russia's leading business institutions through the signing of sisterhood agreements with the Moscow Chamber of Commerce and Industry and the St. Petersburg Chamber of Commerce and Industry. These partnerships represented more than ceremonial agreements. They reflected a shared aspiration to deepen business connectivity, encourage knowledge exchange, and create meaningful opportunities for collaboration between our 2 business communities. 2 years later, we are proud to say that this relationship has not only endured, but continues to grow stronger. Our continued engagement stands as a testament to the mutual trust, goodwill, and shared commitment that bind our institutions together. It affirms our common belief that meaningful international partnerships are built not only through agreements, but through sustained cooperation, friendship, and a collective vision for inclusive economic progress. As President of the Mandaue Chamber of Commerce and Industry, I reaffirm our commitment to further strengthening this partnership and exploring even more opportunities for collaboration in trade, investment, in the innovation, tourism, education, and cultural exchange. We firmly believe that stronger business relationships pave the way for stronger communities and greater prosperity for all. We likewise extend our heartfelt appreciation to the Honorary Consul of the Philippines to the Russian Federation, Consul Army Lopez Garcia, whose unwavering efforts continue to strengthen the bridge of friendship and cooperation between the Russian Federation and the Philippines. Through your dedication, you have helped create meaningful opportunities for engagement and understanding between our peoples and institutions. To our dear guests from the Russian Federation, thank you for choosing to be with us here in Cebu. We sincerely hope that you will continue to enjoy your stay and feel the warmth, generosity, and hospitality for which the Filipino people are known. As we gather in the business forum today, may this serve as a platform for productive dialogue, meaningful exchange, and new opportunities for partnership between Moscow and Cebu. May we learn from one another, share best practices, and showcase innovations, and discover ways to advance trade, investment, and sustainable economic growth for our respective communities. May we leave this hall today not only with new ideas and opportunities, but with stronger friendships, deeper mutual understanding, and a renewed commitment to cooperation founded on trust, respect, and shared aspirations for the future. Daghang salamat. Thank you very much. Spasibo.